Hey, how you guys doing? So I'm doing a little experiment here. We're going to talk about what I got in my ER box this month, and I'm going to show you I ordered a few of the things from the holiday catalog that I may order more. I probably will order more, but there were just a few things. Okay, I just wanted to make sure we were good. That I wanted to get now. So but let me show you what I got in my regular order. The usual two things of laundry soap, the usual two things of dish soap, which I love, which is, it's concentrated and all that good stuff. The usual dish powder for the dishwasher, which I combine with citric acid that I buy on Amazon, and that makes it not have spots and all that kind of stuff, which I've been using already. Okay, that's holiday. I got PD8020. That stands for pregnenolone, DHEA. This is the bomb for hormones. Fantastic. It's just one a day, and if I don't take this, I can feel it. And I got 2 bottles of Thiamin. That is thyroid support. I use this. I'll take 2 to 4 of these a day, and plus the Indiflex. I was trying to think, what was I going to say? Plus the Indiflex oil on my thyroid directly. Then I got some makeup. I got the misting spray. I always get one of those. And then I was out of the Warm 2 foundation. I love this stuff. And I got the Veil, the powder in the matte, not the diamond dust, right? Now they have it in matte. And I had a sample of it, and I love that. I wear it mostly. Sometimes the diamond dust is fun. It's sparkly. And I mean, it's fine if I didn't have that, but I do like the matte better. And then I got, this is the multitasker. And we have 4 colors of this, right? We have the one we started out with, that's the only one we had, and it was dark brown. And you had to mix it with the foundation if you wanted to lighten it up. But this is the light, and this is what I have on my eyebrows. This is the light multitasker. It's perfect for my eyebrows. I feel like it's just exactly, the right color. So, and then what's this other thing? Oh, it's another eyeshadow. This is, it's Best Kept Secret. Yeah, I use this every day on the whole lid, kind of as a base. So, it comes in such nice packaging. I love the packaging. And then, gosh, did I get the Thieves? I can't remember if I got this on my regular order or in the holiday catalog. I'm going to open it. I can, yes. How about this, you guys? The Thieves in a roll-on. Isn't that great? Talk about convenience. So that's a 10 mil. I think that's very exciting. Thieves in a roll-on. Hello. Now let's see here. Hold on one sec. I want to just see what you guys are looking at. So I'm using this other, I'm using my computer right now to go live. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, so Angela, I see that you said hello. I had to look over here. I did not see your name on this thing, though. I wonder why. Don't like that. Anyway, I can look over the other thing and see who it is. But hello, Angela. How are you? Okay, so with my regular order, what did I get for free? I got multi-greens, fantastic. I mean, what is in this? Well, that's a lot of stuff. Bee pollen, barley concentrate, spirulina, alfalfa, kelp, some essential oils that make it more absorbable in the body. That's a thing. If you're not getting enough green stuff, that's what we need. I got a lot of oils for free just with that order. Thyme, this is the way you build up your stash. Cinnamon bark, use these all the time. Aroma ease, digestion, anything digestion. Thyme, is just a powerful oil for keeping your immune system up. Palo Santo is very similar to frankincense, but it's from South America, but it's similar. Oregano, it's like thyme. I mean, those oregano and thyme, those are used in the raindrop. And then loyalty, that is a really wonderful oil that once you've been on the monthly program for a year, they just send you a little bottle of that new oil. It comes in this nice little package. And then this month, look at this. So this was at the 400 PV level. And this is a really, look, okay, so how it opens. It's got a little magnet. And oh, isn't that nice? There it is. So these, you guys, are 10 ml bottles. That's crazy. They've only ever had the 5 and the 15, right? This is the 5. This is the 15. Now these are a 10. So I don't know why they did that, but it's kind of cool. Something different, I guess. But what do we have in here? We have peppermint, tea tree, and lavender. So isn't that nice? I love that. And that's free. Free. Okay. So now let's look at what I got in the holiday catalog. These are the shower steamers. So you can read that, can't you? Now see, when we do a Facebook Live with the phone, everything's backwards. Interesting. I'm going to open these and let's look and see what they look like. Because I saw these on, they're just a little round thing. And it says, place it on the shower floor or a shelf where it gets wet but is outside the main water stream. Breathe in the fragrant scented steam for an amazing at-home aromatic experience. That is awakening. And there was another kind also, which I can't remember what it was, but let's see what's in this. Peppermint, eucalyptus globulus. Those two are the essential oils. That will wake you up. It's kind of like that morning start, shower gel. That is my favorite. I swear it wakes me up. Okay, I had to get this because we have our dog, right? And look at this. This is in the catalog. So you get the Animal Sense ointment. Have you guys used this? You need this in your house. It is an ointment. I mean, that is a, it's an ointment. Put that back in there. Just want you to see that. It's thick. It's great for wound care. I just put some on my dog. It's not just for dogs or animals. It's for people, but it's for dogs too, or for animals, any animals. And it's just got great stuff in there to support the body. But look at this. Our dog has torn up every dog toy that we've gotten. And every time Young Living has, just random things like this, they're always really good quality. And so I thought, I've got to get that. That is strong. I don't think she's going to tear this up. So, all right, hold on. Let me just see one more second here. What is happening? So I can make sure. Okay. Back over here. All right. So that's that. And then I also got, I didn't get everything. You're at the beginning stages. let's see, I'm still at pretty much beginning stages with ER. I've been on for 5 months for fall wellness. What do you advise I stock up on for me and my family? Thieves, everything thieves. Thieves oil, thieves the little spray bottles, thieves hand sanitizer, you know, just there's the thieves cough drops. Really, I would just, you know, be diffusing. See my diffuser back? Oh, it's on that side. Diffuser back there. Be diffusing thieves at night by your bedside. Also, RC. Thieves and RC are huge. RC is going to be more for the respiratory system. Those are two biggies. Another one I would get is the supplement called Inner Defense, and you wouldn't use that every day. You would just use it if you just start to feel something coming on and you're like, oh, I need to support my body. I don't want to get anything. And so I would just start taking those probably 2 a day, you know, in the beginning, if you're just starting to feel something, along with spraying that thieves in your mouth and putting the thieves outside here. Maybe you might need a little carrier oil if it's hot. It's not hot on me, but some people, their skin's a little more sensitive. So yeah, those are some biggies. And hey, just go back to the video. Jennifer Dunford and I did a video in this group just last week on winter wellness and everything. And it's a great video, and she gives a lot of tips, and it's a great video. It has a lot of information. So make sure you watch that. Okay. Anyway, next thing I got was this little spray bottle. It says Young Living right there. I just, you know, it's a nice spray bottle. I'm pretty sure it came with this Christmas spirit, because I don't think I ordered that, and it wasn't free, I don't think. So I think that must have come with this. And it's just nice to have a nice spray bottle, right, in the house. So we can use, you bet, so we can use good, healthy stuff. Okay, and then one more thing I got. Like I said, I'll probably order some more stuff, but these things I just wanted to get now. Well, let me show you this box. Okay, so this is this Vitality Culinary Kit. Wow, what a nice gift this would be too. So here's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to pull it out and show you. So you get this, these must be the tools. And these kind of things, I've done this, I've ordered their stuff like this before. That pan, I just ordered their pan, their titanium pan. Incredible pan. I mean, it's kind of expensive, but it's amazing. So these are just some spatula, spoon, whisk. And they feel like they're pretty solid, heavy duty, you know, not cheap. And then you also get, wow, this is great. Okay, so you get this shelf to put your oils on in the kitchen, like the ones you want to keep in the kitchen. I have a bunch I like to keep in the kitchen. And then you get a bunch of oils. 6, you get rosemary, orange, oregano, cinnamon bark, lavender, peppermint. That's a heck of a deal right there. So you're going to set them on there, and then hold the phone. Get this nice bowl, mixing bowl. Look at that. That's shiny. And it's got this rubber bottom to it. And it's got a lid. Oh, and it's marked inside too. Liters. Maybe for the English. It says over here. 2 liters, 3 liters, 4 liters. Anyway, it even has a vent, it looks like, right here. That's cool. I'm just now opening that. Does it go like that? Oh yeah, it looks like that. Okay. Oh, and the bowl even says Young Living right there. Very nice, very nice. Well, that was exciting. Okay, you guys, if you are local, don't forget to put on your calendar October 26th. I think it's the 26th. Is that a Friday? And make sure, pretty sure it is. Yes, October 26th at 6:30. We're going to be at the 525 house, and we're going to be having our monthly girls' night out party. We have dinner, we have wine, we have Nutra Red, we have oils and all kinds of stuff. We have all the makeup you can try. It's just fun, and it's important to get out and hang out and have fun with people that like to do the things that you like to do. And one other thing I wanted to remind you of is next Tuesday, right here on Facebook at noon, I'm going to be doing a live video about dental health. And I have a whole story about dental health and teeth and gums and all that good stuff. So that's one of my first stories with Young Living 9 years ago. All right, guys, this was really fun. And I got to try out this new little, most people aren't doing Facebook Lives. They got to do them on your phone. But this is a pretty cool thing. So I can use my computer. So anyway, love you. And I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.